used to work over there in the black building. It's Century City Hospital, and New Beginnings was their drug rehab. And I worked with the patients to help keep them sober until they left 30 days later. And then I lived over there. So this is going to be another one of my yoga moves at a place I used to live and work. I lived more places than I worked. Being agoraphobic, I didn't work that much. Other than from home. All right, here we go. Warrior. Woo! Pretend you can fly. It makes this a lot easier. It's not just a butt thing, it's also a mind thing. Yeah, believe it. Side number B. Hold on, I'm looking for a flat piece. Yeah. Peekaboo. That's my tattoo. Peekaboo, that's my tattoo. Woo! Tattoo. I'm just a rhyming yogi. This is not a flat piece of ground at all. Misjudged. Oh yeah, I'm flying, so it doesn't bother me. Right. Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby. Subscribe. Ring the bell.